Okay, Awesome Gamer here again, and we're playing Airplane 2! Oh no, they're already teleporting. Okay, everyone get in here, I guess. Gate B ready. Okay, we got lots of people. I do not know how to play Airplane 2. I've never watched it. So this will be hard. Really hard. Robloxia president? What? What are we even doing? Okay, well then, oh, this is different. Oh, there's a door right here. We're trapped inside. Oh. I'm saying with game-wise. Oh, a novice passenger. Okay. 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 Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Wait. What? What does she mean by welcome back? How does she know about our journeys? What? My name is Kylie. I will be your pilot in this flight. Nice. As you can probably tell, this is not a regular plane. Yes, of course. I mean, like, who puts Airplane 2 out of here? Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to the 991 something something something. You heard right. The president would like to celebrate personally with you guys. You saved an airplane last time. No, I wasn't with these strangers. We still don't understand how the captain lost control that time. Anyways, Monster, of course Monster. You saved the day and that is the reason we are here. Nice. Alright, enough chatting. Okay, anything else you gotta say? Nothing. Oh, please find the seat that has a golden label with your name on it. We are about to cross an area of... It's always high turbulence. Why are my legs going in the, seat? Whoa, okay. Yeah, this is way better than last game. Poncho King has really made this better. Did we just do a barrel roll? Yeah, we did. I believe. Stranger Things. Oh my god, this guy's Spider-Man suit is awesome. Thank you for your cooperation. Okay. I've been informed that a president agent is waiting for you in the next room. Please find him there for further instructions. Okay, this is starting to sound like the fire drill in my school. Who are these? Are they smugglers on the plane? Why are they so Oh, wait. And remember, no one should know about this. What were they even talking about? Did anyone else see that? Nah, you're crazy. No, I'm just kidding. Welcome to the presidential airplane. Hey, that's one of the smugglers. Oh no, that's an agent. And congratulations for what you have done. The country is grateful. Please do not put a bomb on me this time. Follow me to the next room. I will give you some instructions. Do not put a bomb in that room. I'm terrified of bombs after that, thing that happened in my failed video of Airplane. President is getting ready. He will meet you in the dining room in a couple of minutes. Okay? But there is something you must know before that. What? We're supposed to fill up the water? Oh, wait, no, that's not. The president is very special. gets mad very easy. Yeah, I won't call that special. I just call him a rager. Please do everything we say and do not cause any kind. That's all. Wow. President should be almost ready. Nice. All you guys grab a glass of water while we wait. Okay? Okay, what? Oh no. I'm so sorry. How does it spread out across the room like this? Look at this mess. President is going to be so mad. Wait, do we see some mops? Yeah, mops. Please find something to clean this mess. Finding, found. Or else we'll have to lock Stranger Things for the rest of the flight. That only means, that means kill him. We all know what you mean by that. Oh, great, it's clean. Okay, I'll just whack the president with this broom. Oh, no! The cops. President is ready now. Please follow me to the dining room. Wait, isn't this the dining room? This is not the dining room. Then what is? Um, oh. Are you kidding me? That looks like a pink Donald Trump. Ronald, of course. Build that brick wall. He looks like a brick himself. Wait, what? Yeah, they make it so much like Donald Trump. I'm sorry, it's the habit. Wait, where's his tie? And shirt and pants. Anyways, welcome to my airplane. This guy really needs to work on president. My name is Ronald McDonald. I'm the president of the Robloxia States. Should it be country? You must know you are heroes for this nation. Yeah, heroes because we almost got killed. We have a delicious meal prepared for this special moment. Wait, I think I've seen something like this happen before in a video. No, I do not want to cook. I do not. Food is not ready yet. I believe the chef messed up. Oh no, he's going to rage. Throw that chef off this plane. Oh my god. The president committing murder. We will take care of him, president. See, this guy, Mafia or whatever, he is dangerous. Super telepathy, VJ. You look like a great chef. OMG. Mr. President, I never cooked before. Well, you better learn quick or else I'm going to or else I'm throwing you out. Okay. The president committing murder. What is this? The poncho guy took this way too far. I will tell you the ingredients and you have to find them and drop them into the soup potion pot before the time runs out. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. If you grab the wrong ingredient, throw it in the trash can, but be quick. Nice. Are you ready? Time to cook. I hope this guy has some experience, but by the look of it, he does. The soup needs butter. Found the butter. Bro, it's over there. Yes, butter. No. Yes. The soup needs potato. Potato. Oh, okay, I found it. Bro, what do you... Oh no, he's dead. Super Telepathy VJ is taking too long. Take him out. Please say I'm not the chef. Oh, it looks delicious. Everyone take a seat. Okay, I don't want to be next to that naked president. I'm sitting over here. Did you just... Is that a chili in the soup? Wow. Just wow. Enjoy. Is he forcing us to enjoy it? I don't want to eat it. Because he is the cause of this food. No. Just no. I am a hero. I will never follow someone like him. We hope you enjoyed the soup. President had to leave early. Wait, how did he teleport? He should be meeting you again, the presidential. Really? Follow the path to the computer room. I need the computers. Computer. Computer. Ooh, yes, yes. Okay, I'm going to play Roblox on Roblox. Time to play Roblox on Roblox. Go, run, run, run. Welcome to computer. No, this is my seat. My seat. We use this room to protect any cybernetic attacks to our system. Well, we're not Norton. The president is waiting in the presidential suite. Wait, so we're not supposed to use these computers? I'm allowed to click it, but secret now. You must try to figure out the code. Well, if we don't, wait, we're hackers? Okay, my screen's locked. Whoa, we really need to work in that code. Meet with the... Oh, finally the president's wearing clothes. Finally. You know, I have to say, why is the computer room bigger than the presidential suite? Oh, there's a bed over there, and... Oh, actually, it's a bigger thing. Hello again. Sorry I had to leave early. Since when do you say sorry? You threw a person, my friend, out of the plane. I had to, get everything right. Yeah, I bet you're a killer. Anyways, as our very special guest, I'll let you sleep in. Why specifically? For some reason, I can't find the keys. Kidding. It could be great. Let's open the door. No, this is way too small. Too small. Who has a TV in their bedroom? This is where you'll be spending the night. No, let me out. You really think that there is a room for everyone? Okay, everyone jump on the bed because we clearly can't lie down or sit on it. Jump. I need to crash through this TV to get into the captain's room. I need to get into the captain's room. Hey, why won't you let us roam it? Wait a second. If I'm right, this should be the story where that monster chases us. Wait, President. Where is the president even sleeping? It is nighttime already. The computers are still on. I thought that they run out of charge. Why are you scared? You've been through a monster trying to kill you. Guys, the curtain. Yeah, the curtain. Wait, is there another YouTuber in this? Oh, that's cool. He was not there before. I swear it was not there before. Oh no, it's the monster. Yeah, everyone run. Do you forget about me so early? Fire! We need to run, yeah, of course. We need to run. True that. Okay, in the storage room. Quick. Oh my god. Okay, we're in the storage room. Wow. Is this like supposed to be an obby? Because I'm a master in obbies and this was pretty easy to get to. I mean, just look at it. You have to jump here, jump here. I think of everything as obby. Fire! We need to run! Yeah, we already ran. Where are you? Are we safe now? Yup. I'm a hero. The floor! Oh no. Ow. Ow. We will do this video another time. How did that even happen? Please, 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 please. Why? Why? Return me to the server. Why? Okay, well, I hope that people actually watch this. Is it just me, or does it feel like every single airplane video, I do one where I fail? Yeah, I think that's what it is. Anyways, next video, Murder Mystery, the series. Okay, well then, all I have to say is, that was weird, and bye. Have an amazing day.